In this video, how to set fingerprint lock in Windows 11. Click on the Start button. In the Start menu, click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Accounts. Choose Sign-in options from the left-hand menu. Under Windows Hello Fingerprint, click on Set Up button. Press Get Started button and enter PIN lock screen. The system will prompt you to scan your fingerprint multiple times. To create a fingerprint profile, follow the on-screen instructions. Typically, you will need to lift and place your finger on the fingerprint sensor several times from different angles to capture a complete fingerprint profile. Once you've enrolled your fingerprint, lock your computer screen. You can press Windows plus L keys. Now, gently place your enrolled finger on the fingerprint sensor. If configured correctly, Windows should unlock the screen.